At Maaco, you have options, Class A or Elective, two distinctly different types of repair, but that doesn't mean two different qualities of service. Whether the repair being done is through an insurance claim or you're paying out of pocket, Maaco treats each job with the same care. Let's take a look. If your repair work involves filing an insurance claim, we help you handle the details. We work with every major insurance company, coordinating the complete repair. We even provide you with a detailed repair plan specific to your vehicle. And in those instances when you're paying for the repairs yourself, we're conscious that cost is a big factor. Our experts review your initial plan and recommend options that save you money. We ensure no sacrifices are made with regards to the structure or safety of the repair. So whether you're filing a claim or paying out of pocket for repairs, you can be assured that Maaco has you covered.
Maaco, America's Body Shop.